Hej, jeg hedder Marianne.
Hi, my name is Marianne. A few years ago, I was operated for small bowel cancer. The result was that I got short bowel syndrome. Since then, I have been depending on parenteral nutrition. Every day, I need an infusion of 4 liters liquids and nutrition. When I was released from the hospital at that time, I was extremely nervous and uncertain. I came home to piles of boxes and I could not imagine how I would live a life with needles and tubes. Today, several years later, I have found a routine. I've learned to control my parenteral nutrition, so I am in control and not the nutrition. I found the little things that gives flexibility in my everyday life. Today, the parenteral nutrition has become a premise for my life. I imagine in line with an amputation of an arm or a leg. I have regained my everyday life. Today, I work full-time plus interest hours. I travel and I enjoy my family. When it comes to traveling, there ain't much routine. I have to pack first and to pack a lot. When we were on holiday in the US, I brought 60 kilos extra medical equipment. It makes me a little tense. Did I remember everything? I have to pack all I need and I bring it with me. But when I arrive and discover that it's okay, the routine takes over again and we can enjoy our family holiday. The best thing is that I'm still alive and I'm deeply grateful for that. I experienced that I in every way are able to live my life with parenteral nutrition. A good side effect is that I can eat whatever I want without gaining weight. It sounds insignificant, but it makes a difference in my everyday life.